Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through Boston Whaler's 2019 250 Outrage. Starting off with the exterior of the hull, this is the Abaco Blue custom paint. The boat's powered by twin 225 V6 four-strokes from Mercury. So here in the transom of the 250 Outrage, again, twin 225s powered this boat well over 50 miles an hour. We've got 3 rod holders along the transom, a full walk across along the transom. We've got a telescoping boarding ladder here on the starboard side, along with a conveniently placed stainless steel grab rail and recessed cleats. Step down into the cockpit. We've got a freshwater shower, a lockable transom door, and then a large fold-out bench seat, large enough for 2 adults. Both on the port and starboard side, we've got pump-out fish boxes, really large insulated fish boxes, really large access to your bilge area, all finished out, all easy to access, easy to keep clean. On both sides, we've got tow rails, large cleats, JL audio speakers. Here on the port side, we've got a pull-out storage drawer, along with glove box style storage. Here at the helm, really large, oversized 40-gallon live well. A couple of cup holders, big stainless steel grab rail for support and safety. You've got rocket launchers along the hardtop. Teabag style storage for soft goods. You'll also notice that this boat is equipped with outriggers. Got a light overhead and a lockable glove box so you can keep valuables. Really large, well done seats at the helm. Adjustable armrests, adjustable bolsters, so your passenger can sit while your driver leans. You got comfortable places for your feet. Really large adjustable steering wheel on a tilt with a nice steering knob. A lot of real estate for your electronics. We've got a large touchscreen from Raymarine here, rocker switches, digital controls from Mercury, and your stereo remote control as well. We've also got a spotlight on this boat on the hardtop, digital start and stops, VHF radios already installed, and we've got trim tabs with LED indicators. Cup holders, another glove box with charging ports for your devices, 12 volt and USB, and of course digital throttle and shift from Mercury. Really large, fully glassed windshield with a windshield wiper and a powered ventilation hatch. Here on the starboard side, you got your head area, vacuum flush toilet with its own holding tank, a lot of headroom, really good for storage. Got a nice step to make it easier to get down here. Also have dedicated storage for your picnic table that goes in the bow. Both port and starboard, we've got trolling seats. Obviously used for fishing, but if you just needed some extra seats for passengers who don't care to stand, it's also a good place for them. Here in the bow, we've got all the cushions in place. We've got adjustable armrests on the seat just forward of the console, which also has storage beneath this seat. You've got deck storage on the foredeck that's also drained and all finished out. Another bracket mount for your picnic table. Another forward storage access area here. This boat does have an anchor windlass with a remote control. It's mounted on the deck. And that's Boston Whaler's 250 Outrage. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Come by and see us at our store on Daniel Island and give us a call 843-747-1889. Thanks again. We'll see you soon.